Are you considering tackling a roofing project on your own? You'll need more than just enthusiasm. Having the right tools is crucial for both safety and success. Today, I'll walk you through everything you'll need to get the job done right. Key tools for DIY roofing. Safety gear. Before you climb onto your roof, safety should be your top priority. A sturdy hard hat, a pair of durable gloves, safety goggles, and non-slip boots are essential. These tools help protect you from falling, flying debris, and any other hazards that can arise while working at heights. Remember, safety is the first step to success. Ladder. A well-secured, solid ladder is your gateway to the roof. Make sure it's tall enough for your job and placed on stable ground. You can't focus on your project if you're worried about a fall. A proper ladder ensures you'll have safe and reliable access to the work area, keeping your attention where it's needed. Roofing hammer. The roofing hammer, or roofing hatchet, is your all-in-one tool. It has a serrated edge for removing old shingles and a hammer side for securing new ones. Whether you're prying up nails or driving them into the roof, this versatile tool is indispensable for both beginners and pros alike. Trust me, you'll use it constantly. Utility knife. A sharp utility knife is your best friend for precise cuts, whether you're working with shingles, underlayment, or other roofing material. Trying to make accurate cuts with a dull knife is a frustration you don't need. With a good utility knife, your cuts will be sharp, clean, and professional, ensuring your roof looks flawless when it's finished. Pry bar. Removing nails and old materials is easy with a pry bar. This tool gives you the leverage you need to take off shingles without damaging the roof structure. Whether you're tearing off old shingles or removing stubborn nails, a pry bar will make the job quicker and easier. It's a must-have for any roof demolition work. Chalk line. For a neat professional finish, straight lines are crucial. A chalk line ensures your shingles are aligned perfectly, helping them go on evenly and uniformly. This simple tool has a huge impact on the final look of your roof. Roofing nailer. When you're working on a large roofing project, a roofing nailer is a game changer. It helps you secure shingles quickly, saving time and reducing the physical strain of hammering each nail by hand. It's efficiency at its best. Advanced tools for DIY roofing. Shingle cutter. A shingle cutter is a game changer for precision cuts, especially around vents, chimneys, or edges. This tool lets you make clean, straight cuts quickly, ensuring a perfect fit for every piece. It's especially useful when you need to cut multiple shingles to the exact same size. Roofing sealant. Prevent leaks with a high-quality roofing sealant. This product seals joints and flashing to ensure water doesn't seep into your home. It's easy to use and provides an extra layer of protection against the elements. Don't underestimate how much it improves the lifespan of your roof. Roofing square. A roofing square is essential for accuracy. Whether you're making precise cuts or ensuring corners are perfect, this tool is indispensable. It helps ensure that all your angles and measurements are spot on, reducing waste and improving the overall quality of your work. Roofing shovel. Removing old roofing materials can be tough on your hands and the structure. A roofing shovel is designed for the job. It allows you to remove shingles and debris quickly without causing damage. The leverage it offers makes the task efficient, and it's a must-have when tearing off layers of old material. It helps keep your project moving forward smoothly. Roofing ventilation tools. Proper roof ventilation is key to extending the life of your roof. Ventilation tools help you install and maintain roof vents, ensuring good airflow and moisture control. These tools are often overlooked but crucial for long-term roof health, protecting your home from moisture buildup and potential damage. The right tools make all the difference in your roofing project. Equip yourself with these essentials, stay safe, and enjoy the sense of accomplishment when you're done.